will you find me soon? Trapped in the darkness, lost in the night, so far away.
Hi guys, it's me again, Makeup Addicted to Makeup. Today we'll be creating green smoky eyes with green glitter on the center of eyelids. This makeup appeared quite intensive, but I think thanks to this green color it's still spring. Again, I decided to make a use of Morphe 35b palette. This palette is so colorful and inspires me so much, and as a transition shade I used the lightest green shade from this palette, and I was blending it in my crease and a bit above it using big fluffy brush. Next I used 2 3 tones darker green shadow from this palette. And now with less fluffy brush I'm concentrating on my crease. Next step in blending is the darkest green shade of the palette. And here I'm only trying to darken my crease with precise dense brush to give my eyes more depth.
Feels like I'm drowning, invisible, 'cause you can see me in the shadows of my fear. Feels like I'm drowning, invisible.
And of course, in order to avoid harsh lines, I'm blending gently to achieve nice color transitions. Because I didn't achieve a satisfactory depth, I've decided to use this dark deep sea color from Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette in my crease, using flat white brush, which is more suitable for pressing eyeshadows on, but in this case it fulfilled this task well.
Visible from your love, will you find me soon? Trapped in the darkness, lost in the night, so far away.
I found in my cosmetic resources this green glitter from MYSTIK WARSAW. It's Polish brand producing very budget color cosmetics, but still very high quality. And before I applied it, I cut the crease with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer.
But you can see me, pull me out of here. Feels like I'm drowning, invisible, 'cause you can see me in the shadows of my fear. Feels like I'm drowning.
And then, on such prepared eyelid, I applied glitter primer from NYX.
But you can see me, pull me out of here. Feels like I'm drowning.
I was trying to press this glitter on using flat synthetic brush, but the glitter didn't want to stick well, so I've decided to do this using just fingers. On lower eyelid I used the same colors as on the upper one, starting from the lightest shade of green and finishing with the darkest one. I'm trying to connect this darkest green shade on lower eyelid with my outer V on the upper eyelid.
Hidden in the corner of this crowded room, visible from your look, will you find me?
In my inner corner I applied this beautiful shimmering light greenish color from Anastasia Subculture palette. And to intensify it even more, I applied it on glitter primer.
My love somehow. My questions need your answer. Give them to me now. Pain inside is way too much. Just want to hold you and feel your touch. Bet you can see me.
Now winged eyeliner.
Drowning, invisible, 'cause you can see me in the shadows of my fear. Feels like I'm drowning,
and false eyelashes.
you can see me, pull me out of here. Feels like I'm drowning, invisible, 'cause you can see me in the shadows of my fear. Feels like I'm drowning,
As I'm going today to apply matte foundations, first I'm using Luminizing primer from L'Oreal and distributing it all over my face, even on the center of it. As a foundation, I'm going to mix together Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation and L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying foundation. I don't know why such an idea came to my mind. And I'm blending it in using Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. I covered my dark under eye cycles with Conceal&Define concealer from Makeup Revolution and blended with little wet sponge.
out of sight, discover and
And immediately after this I set the whole face, including under eye area, with fix powder from Maybelline. Sorry for my voice.
Bet you can see me, pull me out of here. Feels like I'm drowning, invisible.
To complement such makeup, I've decided to warm my face rather than contour it, and I used for this purpose mineral terracotta powder from Golden Rose in shade 4. At the end, I'm applying on the peaks of my cheekbones and on the bridge of my nose a little bit of highlighter. I cannot convince myself to use blushes. It seems to me that I look too pinky in each of them.
Pull me out of here. Feels like I'm drowning, invisible. 'Cause you can see me in the shadows of my fear. Feels like I'm drowning, invisible.
Next, mascara on lower lashes. And on my lips I applied Rouge Edition Velvet No. 7 from WARSAW. And that's all, that's the final look. I think this glitter did a good job. I love how it presents on my eyelids. I think this eye makeup will fit to blue eyes perfectly, as it brings out the blue in eyes. If you would like to recreate this look, I will be happy to see it. Thank you guys for watching, I hope you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, and yes, see you in my next tutorials. Bye!
So far away, out of sight.